Power of analysis yesterday for gold, I have mentioned very clearly that as long as gold fails to break beyond 2040-42, we can expect a reversal, and sharp reversal was seen. We have seen gold hitting 2010-2012 zone, which was the support zone here. Yes, if you look at this red line, beautifully, gold has respected this line, and this line is there in my analysis since long. Those who are watching my updates, I have mentioned earlier in each of the update that so far gold is respecting this trend line. Does it mean that gold is bound to reverse? What is going to be our strategy trading gold today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get the twice a day updates. Second update will be released before the US session. And do like, share, subscribe, and comment, friends. Your every like, comment, and share is a great motivation. And press the bell icon to get the notifications. Let's start first to look into hourly. And if you're not joined the channel memberships, join the channel memberships to get the additional benefits. Now look at the hourly charts here. On the hourly chart, see beautifully, gold has respected the trend line here so far. It has given a slight gap here. And also, if you look at now, it is finding its support intact here at 2014, 2015 levels. Yes, these are going to remain a greater support. And also now remember 1822 levels, 2018, 2022 levels, which were the support levels earlier, are now going to be the resistance for gold. Yes, any move above 2022 should be seen as a slight bullish move where we can expect it to reach higher highs. Now, if you look at 2037 to 2010-12 zone, you will find almost $25 of move here, and a retracement, 50% retracement suggests that 2024-25 should be also one of the resistances. Beyond that, certainly little more bullish momentum can be expected. Moving averages have crossed over here, trading with divergence. Prices might try to retrace towards the 20 period or 50 period moving average here. Stochastic has seen a rise. MACD, now look at MACD, it is trading with extreme divergence, trying to converge crossover, and this crossover may lead to bullish momentum. RSI is rising as well. Coming to 2 hour charts, look at 2 hour charts beautifully. See, these three highs are beautifully connected. Lower highs are seen, and so far it has also shown higher lows. It is trying to form a squeeze. A breakout out of this squeeze will result to a stronger bullish or bearish momentum. Right now, if you look at 2 hour charts, yes, it is shying away from 2018-2022 zone. Moving average is crossing over here, certainly sign of bearishness. Stochastic rising from the oversold. MACD is trading with extreme divergence. It indicates that possibility of it to converge and crossover exists. RSI is flat. Coming to 3 hour. Likewise, on the 3 hour charts, getting support here at the bottom. It was trading outside Bollinger Bands. That is where we have seen a pullback. Lower highs are seen. Thus, we can expect it to rise towards, if it stays above 2018, 2020 levels, we can expect it to rise a little more towards 2024, 25 levels. And beyond that, certainly we can expect it to turn bullish and rise strongly. Right now, yes, this is where the lifeline for gold is. It is respecting the trend line. And now any drop below 2010 can lead to slight stronger bearish momentum on the downside. Be watchful of this. Stochastic oversold. MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is looking forward to an upward move. On the 4 hour, similar is the observation on the 4 hour chart. The next candle, when it starts, if you see price is staying above 2018-2022 zone, certainly it will lead to a further bullish momentum. Remember, on the daily charts, on the all the time frames, a move above 2040-42 is where the bulls will take over completely. If at any point of time, because today we have a data coming in from US, the GDP data and the PCE prices projections certainly can lead to a stronger momentum. And at any point of time, gold is staying above 40-42, just do not think of selling gold. Now also, if you look at the momentum so far, see, divide this into two. This is first half, this is second half, bottom, and a rise from here can lead to a stronger rally. Be watchful of this. Stochastic oversold. MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI almost flat. Coming to daily. Before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my 28th mentorship batch commencing on 29th of January. Few seats are available. Register yourself now. Do not miss this opportunity. Equip yourself with the right tools and strategies which can help you identify profitable trades and profitable trends. Reach out to me for more details. Also, you can join my Signals channel on Telegram. where we trade all indices and commodities. This is a premium channel. For any details, reach out to me via Telegram or email. Also, visit the platform www.forexwonder.com, where you have economic calendar, live data releases, live charts, and a community of traders. And also, you get the details related to the batch. You can also book a call there with me if you need any consultation or guidance. And this call is completely free if you're part of our webinar series. Do register for it, visit the platform, or join my free Telegram channel for live updates. Coming to the daily on the daily charts, we have seen since last 2.5 months, we have seen gold just trading in this bullish channel. It is beautifully respecting this channel. Yesterday again, the drop has seen it respecting the line beautifully. Now look at the symmetrical movement here. This is the dividing line. Since then, almost it has been showing symmetry. Now look, after this red greener candle, what has happened? We have seen stronger red candles. Now what could follow is stronger green candles. There is a possibility to it, as long as gold fails to break below 2010, 2008 or 6 zone. We should not be treating gold as bearish. Only bearishness today in gold, if you see it is staying below 2010, you can sell. But then even I will find a nearer support at around 2006, 2007 zone, and after that 2000 levels. A drop below 2000 will confirm that it is having further bearishness, and then I will look forward to a sharper fall, because coming out of this trend line will definitely invite more. A stochastic looking downwards here. MACD has seen good bearish momentum. It is not showing any signs of convergence. RSI is flat. Considering this, a buying entry at 2018, 2022 can be taken, but with caution note, 2025, 2032, 2040, 42. Three levels of resistance on the upside. Only and only if you see gold is staying above 40, 40, you can consider that it's a breakout, and then I will look forward to higher prices towards 2060 and plus levels, if not today, some point of time soon. And on the downside, below 2010, you can initiate a selling entry, expected to move towards 2006, 2007 first target, 1997, 2000 the next target zone, and below 1997 this time we are looking forward to a sharper bearish move towards 1980 levels. Yes, if it stays below 1997, we will look forward to a sharper bearish move towards 1980. Be watchful of this. A breakout is what we are waiting for. Either which ways it gives a breakout, it is going to be a stronger momentum. Trade with caution, trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. Thank you very much. See you again before the US session update. Thank you.